When walking up the stairs with a cane, you're going to place the cane in the opposite hand of the rail if you have a railing. You're always going to lead up with your strong leg first. So I have my weak leg indicated by my pink tape around the shoe. So this is how it's going to look. So I will come up to the step. I'm going to leave the cane on the floor with my weak leg to support it while I bring my strong leg up. So I'm going to put a little weight on the cane, step up with my strong leg, and then follow with my weak leg in the cane. Now sometimes I have clients that just can't do it that way. They can't leave this cane on the floor. They really want to put this cane up and kind of push up on it as they step up with their strong leg. I end up letting them do that because I want you to do what works for you. So that's what this looks like. They'll put it up here, they'll step up with their strong leg, and then bring their weak leg. But what I recommend, if it works for you, is leaving that on the same step as the weak leg just for a little extra support while you're stepping up with your strong leg. Now let's take a look how to walk down the stairs with a cane. When you go down the stairs with a cane is going to be in the opposite hand of the rail, even though this is my weak or injured leg. As we go down, we are always going to lead down first with that weak or injured leg. So the cane and that leg stay together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cane down first, and then I'm going to put my weak leg, and then my good leg. Cane down first, weak leg, and then good leg. So that's how you use a cane on the stairs. We are going to review this process in the comment section below, so be sure to check that out.